Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that, of course, is happening with Windows 11 is all the negativity over the years and still going on today. But we often talk about Windows versions that are versions that we should jump over. And that was always kind of almost a normality with Microsoft Windows. So, you had Windows 98, and then people jumped pretty much over Windows Millennium, which was bad. Got into Windows XP, which was a very popular operating system. Then, with all the problems that happened, Windows Vista appeared and people didn't like it. And then Windows 7 arrived, and oh, it's a beautiful system. Windows 8, once again, big mistake by thinking everybody's going to be using touchscreens. Once again, a jump over version. Got to Windows 10. Windows 10 is known to be, liked. A lot of people like it. It's one of the top operating systems of Windows that people enjoy and still today love. And so there was this meaning that Windows 11 would be a jump over version, but it isn't. In reality, it's actually gaining momentum, and it's out there like the big versions that were used before. So, to give you an idea in numbers, when Windows Vista came out, it peaked at about 20% market share in 2009 ish. That was its highest point. So, only 1 in 5 computers ever really ran Windows Vista. People didn't want it. And the worst part, it wasn't that bad actually, but the hardware, a lot of people bought hardware that wasn't capable of running it real well, which was way more of a problem than actually it being a bad operating system. And Windows 7 was technically Windows Vista with, hardware that was more powerful at the time. And of course, they put it more efficient. And it gained momentum. And so we got to Windows 8. Windows 8 had about the same thing, 20-ish% market share in 2015. And it's the highest it ever been. So, jump over version again. But the thing is, we get to Windows 10. Windows 10, of course, had its peak of market share, which was pretty high because it was a left operating system. Windows 11 arrived. We thought it would be a jump over version and that, Windows 12 would come quite quickly. But Microsoft took a different approach suddenly. Let's fix Windows 11. Let's make Windows 11 better and continue working on it. And that's where we are now. So it isn't a jump over version because it is more than 70% of PCs. I have a lot of people who are like, well, no, I don't think Windows 11. I don't know people with Windows 11, or I know everybody around me is on Windows 11. I don't even know if I still have anyone around me that's not on Windows 11 now. There are a few, but most people are on Windows 11 around me. And those numbers are at 70 to 75% of people on Windows 11. So it technically turns out to be an operating system that's having good market share and is not a jump over version for the first time in a long time. And I think with the fixes we're having right now, the fact that they are implementing so many fixes to make things work right, it if they continue, making it better, fixing the things people don't like, I don't know. At some point, it might be an operating system that people like. I know for a fact that a lot of people do like Windows 11. You know, a lot of people that have the hate for Windows 11. There are different reasons, but I think it's often linked to the minimum requirements that people didn't like. And it's fine that you like Windows 10 and don't want to move on, also, but it definitely ain't a skip over version. And there are some hints here and there that Windows 12 could be far off for a simple reason. Microsoft will just simply want to tweak Windows 11 to make it better and better. And what's nice with Windows 11 now is that in 2026, you have the impression that Microsoft cares again about Windows. And that's a pretty good thing if you want to maintain your market share. So, they could decide to make this Windows 11 work several more years by just fixing it, improving it, adding new features. Maybe what Windows 10 was supposed to be. Remember Windows 10, the version of Windows that's always being updated, that technically there was not supposed to be a Windows 11, or we didn't think there would be another Windows. So kind of interesting to see the future coming in here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.